What's up, guys? No, this isn't another magic tool that's gonna make you millions while you sleep, but it is a really useful indicator that'll help you stop getting lost in charts. You open a chart and see many noisy candles, long wicks, random candles, weird price action. You don't even know what's going on. But the moment you turn on the ZigZag indicator, everything makes sense. Let's break it down. I'll keep it real. ZigZag itself doesn't give entry signals. What it does is show what already happened, the beginning and end of each impulse. Its most important function is to identify key points in the market, the highs and lows when price changes direction. You can use those points to easily draw trend lines and build support and resistance levels. ZigZag also works great for spotting global trend direction on higher time frames. Let's say you open a 5-minute chart. The trend looks bullish, but we all know price doesn't just move in a straight line. Another huge plus, ZigZag helps not only build lines and levels, but makes it easier to spot reversal patterns. For example, patterns like double bottoms, head and shoulders become way more obvious once you remove the noise with the use of the indicator. I want to start making money online, but I don't know where to start. What if I lose my money? I hear this all the time. Look, trading isn't some magic button to get rich overnight. But if you want to try it the right way, without wasting money or months figuring things out, here's how. I trade on Quotex, and right now, you can copy my trades for free while learning in real time. No upfront fees. I'll get a commission from the platform instead. That means you can test everything on a demo, see how it works, and decide for yourself without spending $1. It takes minutes.
You get the currency pair announcement. Open it on the platform. Then you get the signal. Place the trade, and that's it.
Will this make you a millionaire tomorrow? Of course no. But it will get you started, you'll see how it works, and see your first profit without risk. This is the easiest way to step into trading. Just check it out and see if it's for you. Click the link, get set up, and let's go. Let me show you some examples. Here's the first setup. We've got a bullish trend, and ZigZag has already mapped out several clean turning points. Using those, I draw a clear trend line and 2 key levels, support and resistance. Now look at how price reacts at resistance. First, it touched it only with wicks and strongly pulled back. Second time, price stalls, hangs around that level, then drops to support level again. So as you see, this chart's all about how price reacts to levels. Our job is to figure out which one's stronger, and that's where we enter the trade. Let's break it down step by step. The lowest support level is clearly strong. Price bounced off it, even after heavy pullbacks. That's the ideal entry point. But what if price doesn't drop all the way down there? Do we miss the move? No, we keep watching. The higher we go, the weaker the support levels get. You can see it in the reactions. Now resistance. We only care about the highest level. Price has already tested it multiple times. And the last bounce was weak. That means it's losing strength. So I wait for price to drop back to the first support level and open a trade for about 20 minutes. Why 20 minutes? Because resistance level hasn't broken yet, and price could stay in this range for a while. So we give it some time. The lower price goes, the stronger the support level it'll hit. In this case, ZigZag just helped us do clean technical analysis, mark up levels, draw the trend line, and identify reversal zones. The rest of decisions still come from you, the trader. Trade closes in profit. Let's keep going. Second example, different setup. Again, bullish trend. ZigZag clearly shows price moving along the trend line until it hits resistance. After touching the level, price starts moving sideways. Classic consolidation. This is a perfect setup for the back to trend strategy. So I'm planning to trade up with the trend. I wait for price to come back down to support. When it does, it bounces and candles start getting bigger. That means volatility is returning. I enter a trade up for 20 minutes, expecting the price to react to the resistance level again. Now, if you were trading only relying on ZigZag signals, you'd have missed this reversal, because ZigZag just marked the reversal after it happened. That's why ZigZag should only be used alongside patterns, volatility, trend and candles analysis. If you're waiting for confirmation, analyzing price action, and tracking how price reacts to levels, that's when you get a result. A few quick tips. Remember, ZigZag draws based on live price data. So while price is still moving, the lines can shift. If volatility is high, ZigZag might react to every little impulse, making it messy. In that case, you should reduce sensitivity in the settings. If volatility is low and ZigZag only plots the big swings, try increasing sensitivity so it picks up more turning points. And if you're a beginner, I recommend pairing ZigZag with something simple and visually clear, like MACD or RSI. These will help you see when the trend is losing steam. Combine them with ZigZag and you'll understand market structure way better. If this video helped you, hit that like button. And if you want to see how I trade with this system in real time, check out my Telegram. There, I post my setups, breakdowns, and trades daily. Links in the description. Catch you in the next one. And as always, stay safe and be in touch.